Hey guys, it's MP4Doggy. I am back. I remember we were talking about how to do the um, Ironman face shield, you know, the one that goes up, mechanized, motorized, helmet, mask, whatever. So I thought about it and I was like, well, I have it going one direction, but now I need to have it go, I need to have it open and then close. So this is what I came up with. I think it's called a DPST switch, double pull switch. So this will, and then with my two limit switches. So if you need better instructions, this is what I have going on right now. So here, I'll show you on this one. I have one wire going from here to here. No, sorry. Yes, sorry. One wire going from here to here, and then I have power going to here. I'll just keep my hand away. -4. This will go to my servo. These two go to the servo. So the two middle ones go to the servo, right? Okay. This one will cross over here. Let me grab something like something I can point with. Give me 1 second. This is what happens when you have a messy workshop. All right. So here, so okay, so your two middle ones you're going to save for, they will go to your servo. I use the one over here for my negative and this one for my positive. All right, this one is going to cross over to here, but then you'll also attach power to this one. This one will go to your limit switch, the always open one. So the one up, what's it say? Like, I think it's NC. So this one will go. So I have this one going to a limit switch. And then I have this one going to a limit switch. And then the two bottom ones I have, the two bottom of the limit switches I have going to negative. So once again, crossover here, so wire from here to here, and then power. The two middle ones are reserved for your servo. Power, power, negative. This one is going to go to a limit switch, and this one will go to a limit switch. So let me show you how it works. Okay, so we see it spinning, and that's counterclockwise, and we're going to switch it. And then the other, so clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. So open, makes contact with the switch. So then when I want to do it, I can switch it. And then I can also have it. So just pretty simple, right? All right, guys, like I said, this is a quick, just want to throw it up for anybody who's struggling with this like I was. Here's a better look at it. If you want to see how everything is wired in. This one right here is my power. And then I just have my ground right here. So here's the wiring close up. Get a good look. Okay, that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, I'm still have to work on building the hinges and sanding and painting. If you're following along, thank you. Hope this helps you with anything that you're building where you need to have a reversing servo, and you want to add limit switches to it. I could see this being used in other applications, just besides a cosplay helmet. But if this helped you, leave a like. You know how YouTube works. Works on likes, not hugs. All right, I'm out. Bye.